We have climbed down the Leshan Buddha side stairway, and it's quite steep and long. Another way to get here to take pictures is by boat, as you can see here. And it's right next to the river, the Leshan River. Fantastic. So this is at the bottom of the holy Leshan Buddha. You can see the feet of Maitreya Buddha. Here's the left feet of Maitreya Buddha. And then I'm going to go slowly up to Lord Maitreya from the bottom. So that's the fantastic view you can see. Earlier my description was not correct. It's 1,300 years old. And it's really, really fantastic. Okay, this is the steps. And you can see our people coming down. It's the bottom of the steps. That's Irene and Mi Chang and Paul coming down the steps very slowly. It looks easy, but it's quite steep. And the steps go all the way to the top of the Buddha. Goes all the way, way to the top, where you actually walk around the head of the Buddha. Okay, that's to give you a perspective. Really fantastic. So that's the top where we climb down the stairs. It's actually quite safe. It's not slippery or anything. And if you come during the winter, it's much more safer, because there's not a lot of tourists and it's not so hot. That's our people coming down. Okay, this is a video on the Leshan Buddha from the base of the Holy Buddha statue. And there's a beautiful, wonderful Luyong monastery behind. So you can take a look at that monastery. Lord Maitreya, may we be reborn under you and your protection, and always be near you and watched by you.